book Ezio Manzini, Albert Fuste, and myself have recently written, we have described plugins as part of a renewed approach to how design can be a key agent in city making. Plugins are situated design outcomes that fit into the complex system of the city and aim to enrich it, accepting this complexity as positive and unraveling unexpected aspects as key agents for a desired city. By doing so, plugins extend the possibilities of the city, allowing individuals, collectives, and built environments to reflect on their nature and perform in radical and active ways, pursuing their desired position in the world. Based on the effects they produce in an urban system, the impact of plugins can be that of a generator, that is, introducing new elements into a pre-existing context, transforming initial conditions and opening up new expectations and possibilities, or a mediator, which would be distilling existing practices into new landscapes and producing new relationships that activate the urban system, or finally that of an identifier, that would be recognizing, visualizing, and labeling spaces and practices, contributing to maintaining or enhancing a level of conscious awareness in the urban fabric. Summarizing, generators describe the creative, transformative, and founding component of a plugin. Mediators describe the bridging, negotiating, or conciliating component of a plugin, and identifiers describe the symbolic, mnemonic, or consolidating component of a plugin. Plugins become a subset of agents to promote change in some deeply embedded inertias within the complex system of the city. The key dimensions of these plugins are temporality, relationality, and materiality. Temporality is understood as the awareness of the diverse times that coexist in the city, from history to temporariness, from narrative to experience, from diachrony to synchrony, from memory to desire. By working on temporality, design plugins allow a multiplicity of individuals and collectives to find their own path and performance within the city. Furthermore, a critical active use of temporality in design questions the abstract myth of innovation and the capitalist dependence on an ever-imminent promised future, while promoting a sense of co-responsibility for our urban environment through situated spatio-temporal practices. We claim that a focus on temporality results in a focus on civic life, situated experience, and new forms of politics and of beauty. Relationality establishes the social dimension of any design outcome, assuming the need to constantly question, reflect on, and reframe the interactions between individuals and collectives. Attending to relational aspects, design plugins become key agents affecting the role human beings play in urban life, a role that is performed in both the physical and digital layers, and one that acknowledges the potential of digital technologies and social media to develop infrastructure and services, at the same time that it is rooted in the caring dimension that underlies any human interaction. And finally, materiality, as the physical instance of this fundamental triad, recovers a deserved focus on human beings as embodied entities who interact critically with the built environment. Plugins address the concrete dimensions of the material interaction between bodies and their environment. This concretion not only questions and repositions any abstract policy or project implemented in the urban system, but also promotes the active resemantization of the city led by individuals and collectives and a conscious care for the impact of any process related to matter and energy. If they are to have an impact on the complex urban systems of contemporary society, design outcomes should be developed through these three key lenses, and hopefully the designer's plugin concept offers a clear yet open-ended way to do so, boldly positing design as a city-making practice.